So we're back in the shop. I'm gonna fill y'all in with my fucking terrible content I had. But I'm gonna fill y'all in real quick. Besides that, I'm about to take the seat to the upholstery guy right now. And then now I got the back wheel. I'm gonna pop the light bar off, take these bags off, disconnect the music, get the back rim off so we can get everything going in a line. I like to do everything all in one when I'm in an area, so I'm not taking stuff off and putting it back. It just makes everything a hassle. But we're about to have this thing coming along, man. We already got the 21. Now we got that rear chrome 18 looking good. So now we got that chrome back rim. We got the front and we got the back. Waiting on the tire. So I was telling y'all, he got that big light bar, got that fresh new one, smaller, way better. It's about to look a lot much more better. We got the new light bar, brand new black bags, and we got that brand new back rim with the new tire coming. This whole back end is gonna look completely different and it's gonna look good, man. So stay tuned. Let's keep throwing these parts on here, keeping it coming. Man, y'all see how much better that looks than this big ass bar? This thing is huge. Like, what? This thing is amazing, but way better. We're gonna switch some yellow covers out with some black ones like these. Give me some of them from Harley. Yeah, we got it going now. Gotta just get that black chrome rim on there with the new black bags. It's gonna look completely transformed. We just literally, I didn't even record, but I'm gonna give y'all a quick glimpse. We just took the seat to the upholstery guy. So now we got the seat getting upholstery, getting redone. The seat is gonna coordinate with the bike. Y'all get it a lot much more once everything is complete, so stay tuned. But we working, we getting it in, man. So about to keep it coming. We're back in the shop, man. We just pulled up. Well, I've been for like an hour. I had to clean up. I left my stand, but I got some else I could improvise with. But we got some things going. We left off with this joint right here. We got that front chrome rim. I got the back rim in the truck right now with the tire. About to go to the tire shop in a moment. We got the bars fully wired with everything right here. We're going to connect these. I had to put a new, bigger neck to put the bars on. This one is much wider. So we got that. Now we got that on there. Basically, we got the crash bars. We're going to finish installing the bars, get that back tire on there. We got brand new black Harley bags, the newer style. The old ones are coming off. I'm going to disconnect the music today. As y'all seen, we got that smaller light bar on there looking a lot much better than the huge one. And the only thing we're really waiting on now is these washers I'm gonna put on. I just want to get the bike rolling so I could get it onto this lift, so I could get under just like that bike, so to make it easier than me having on that little jack right there. But we got that thing on its way, man. In due time, it will look fully complete. These bars are at the crib. I meant to grab them today, but I was moving fast, so I'm gonna grab them tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna have this thing rolling. I'm gonna try to get a test ride in on it. Still waiting on this paint. Then we got this thing about to get bust down along with the custom Harley-Davidson giveaway. If y'all trying to enter to win this joint, man, please copy a red SLIDN beanie in the description below. It can be you sliding. But yeah, man, we're about to finish busting this down. Finish disassembling the back of that swing arm. I'm gonna take the exhaust off, front wheel, and get the pipe off so we can finish gutting the transmission. But we sliding and we working, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the root beer joint up out of here to my boy. Y'all see he's sliding happy, and we done got some space. So let's keep getting it in and making it happen, man. Keep working. Finally made it from the tire shop. Got this thing on here, juiced up, looking good. This thing looking good. Got that meat. Back in the shop. Phone had died. Got out there to the tire shop. All this Wolfpack weekend stuff. Got everything overly packed and crowded, but we still managed to get the job done. So we're about to finish assembling everything. So stay tuned, we're working. So we still gotta put the wheel on, but so far we got the handlebars on there looking good. I love these bars, dude. They look amazing, especially with the windshield on. It's gonna look a lot much better. So now that we got that attached, connected the battery. Let's give it a little test. Make sure everything is what it's supposed to be. Battery's still low. Battery's super low. But I gotta give the juice to some battery. Get some more juice to the battery. It's too low right now. Blinking, the horn is blinking, so I know it's low. We're gonna charge this joint up. Probably take the battery out, take it home, charge it up. I'm gonna finish assembling this back wheel. So let's get back to it. So far we got the bars on there with the headlight nacelle, the PM mirrors, the new chrome grips. Got that light bar, floorboards on, front and back rims. Got this thing coming, man. We got the seat and upholstery shop getting done, so stay tuned for that, man. About to keep adding these parts on though. I know the bike is super dirty, but I really wanted to bring it out to get it some sunlight. Got to get the rotors. Got that back one on there. Got the new bags, black crash bars. Got the Screaming Eagle rack, small light bar, front and back floorboards, new bars, PM mirrors with the grips. Got the new windshield, LED lights in the bezel still inside. But we getting it going, man. This thing is looking amazing. Yeah, this thing is looking good, man. We're gonna finish hooking the music and all the rest of the stuff up. I just want to give y'all a quick glimpse of what it's looking like. This thing is looking amazing. We sliding though, man. About to keep working, getting it in. See what's going on.